Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see here, it is from the Fratty guard. As you can guys see here, I ended up getting 2 shirts and I got a sticker and a patch. So this patch is for my Kevlar, so I can put it on there and you can see National Guard, and then the rectangle in there, or the bar, is for an NCO. Then got 2 shirts, so one says Fratty Guard on there, and then the other has Part-Time Yacht Club. I believe the person who makes this stuff is in the National Guard as well, or I hope so. But either way, if they're a veteran making shirts, awesome, good for them. They post some really hilarious content on online about the humors of the Guard, so really appreciate that. Military humor is always nice. And then overall, these look pretty cool. The patch, or the vinyl, or whatever this material is a little bit blotchy, but that's like if you're looking up real close. Looks fine. And these are performance t-shirts, so they're, I guess, one of those moisture wicking ones. And then on the back, it aligns with the whole National Guard, so you have your rifle, golfing, yacht club, and drinking martinis because we're fancy. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.